Hey everyone! Today we're cooking up a cozy, delicious spinach meat stew. That's super easy to make and loaded with flavor. This stew is perfect for a family dinner. Let's get cooking. For the ingredients we need 1.5 kilogram lamb meat, 1.5 kilogram spinach, half a kilogram coriander, 3 onions, 5 cloves garlic, 150 gram split peas, oil, salt and black pepper. First, start by cooking the meat. Dice 2 onions. Fry the onions in hot oil. When the onions become light, chop the garlics and add them to the onions. When it turns gold, put the meat on the onions. When the meats are fried to this extent, add the black pepper. Now it's time to add boiling water. Close the pot and let the meat cook slowly. We have soaked these peas in water for 10 minutes. Put the soaked peas in a small pot with some water and cook for half an hour. Now it's time to cook the greens. Dice the third onion and put it in hot oil. When the onions turn gold, add the spinach and coriander. This is a mix of chopped coriander and spinach. Cook the greens on medium heat until it turns like this. After 2 hours, the meat are completely cooked and we take them out of the pot. And we add the spinach to the water left over from the meat. Add 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of salt, and cooked split peas. After the stew settles down, we add the meat again and leave it for another 5 minutes. It is better to serve the stew with plain white rice. And as you can see, our rice is ready. The stew is fully cooked and ready to serve. Cook this delicious dinner and enjoy it with your family. Have you made or ate something similar before? Share your experience in the comment. Goodbye until the next delicious dish.